Hey guys, welcome back. So we have another unboxing, you guys. I have another Chanel bag, and I mean, are we even shocked at this point? Are we shocked? Like, you guys know me by now, right? Chanel's my favorite brand, and I can't resist. So I got another bag, and I'm very excited to show you guys. This is just for show. There is nothing, well, I'm sure there's stuff in here, but there's no bag in here because I already unboxed this for Instagram. So you guys will see that unboxing. But if you guys want to know what Chanel bag I decided to pick up, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already know what I'm going to say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I feel like you're going to want to be here when I do. If you like luxury, you like handbags, you like fashion, you like Chanel, you like unboxings, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to want to be. So you should subscribe if you're not already. And you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just the Cave Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot. We post a lot over there. So you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the video. It's true, guys. I got a little itty bitty bag. Look at it. It's so freaking adorable, you guys. I know you guys are mad because I definitely mentioned in the bags that I will not be buying video, and I think in the Chanel bags that I will not be buying video. I'll link both of those videos here. I mentioned that I was not into these little itty bitty bags from Chanel because they're definitely overpriced. And in my opinion, that is still true. But look at it, you guys. I am sorry. I could not say no to this. I could not say no to this. If you guys saw the luxury items that I'm loving right now video, which I did, I mean, I only filmed that probably like a week ago at this point, but to you, it's probably seeming like a longer time than that. I'll link that over here. But I mentioned in that video that I really wanted like an army green, olive green bag. And I, at that point, had already purchased the Loewe puzzle bag, which I also mentioned in the bags I returned video. I'll link that up here. Clearly, there's going to be a lot of stuff linked up here because there's a lot of stuff. There's just a lot of stuff. I had already bought that Loewe puzzle bag in the mini size and returned it. And I knew that I love that color, but it just was the puzzle bag that was not going to work for me. So basically, at that point, I went on a hunt. I really just went through every single bag that I could find on the internet that was in an olive green color. I found a really beautiful reissue from the Persefair. I'll put it right here. And you guys know I'm missing the reissue style from my collection. So I was so close on pulling the trigger on that one, you guys. That was like the one that I thought I was going to end up with. I also found one that had like the pearl crush, but not the pearl crush that has like the dangly bit. It was like the pearl crush that was made the nice way that didn't have the dangly bit. And it was in an olive green color as well. And I almost bought that one. That one was from Hope Classics, I believe. But I didn't buy that one because it had like the 3 separate compartments, kind of similar to the Trendy CC, how you can like visibly see the 3 separate compartments. And I didn't think it looked right on that bag. I also found a vanity case on Fashion Files website that was like gorgeous. Actually, it looks very similar. Like it had a handle that was very similar to this. But the bottom piece was obviously like a vanity case. And again, if I can find a screenshot, it'll be here. But the price on this was like over $5,000. And no, I'm not paying that for a vanity case. That's just not what's going to happen. It's not what's going to happen. But anyways, this bag came up on Coco Approved, which you guys would have seen in the unboxing. My jaw dropped. My jaw dropped because look at this color. Let me remove the little felt so you can actually see the color. This is the most beautiful shade of olive green like I've ever seen. And the reissue, the reason I didn't end up getting that, and the reason I'm really not sure if I'm actually going to add a reissue to my collection in general, is because I don't know, it just feels off to me. Like first of all, I don't like chevron that much, but I think in the reissue, the chevron is kind of a must. But the turn lock, I don't know why, I just can't get behind it. Maybe just not in that color. I think if I was gonna add a reissue, maybe it'd be in like a so black. Maybe it was the gold against the, I don't know. I don't know what it was that was throwing me off about the reissue, But I think in the future, if I do end up getting one, it's going to have to be in so black because I feel like that's when it looks like the edgiest and the coolest. This bag, when it came up on Coco Approved, I'm not kidding you, I checked out within the hour. Like, I looked at it and I really just sat there for a minute and was like,
is this like everything I've ever wanted in my life?
And I decided it was, and here it is. So the reason that I decided I'm okay with getting an itty bitty bag from Chanel, even though I do feel like it's overpriced, and again, that's still true, it's still overpriced, but the reason I decided it was okay is because this is actually not that small. This specific one, there are obviously ones that are very, very small, but to me, this one is not that small. So I'm gonna compare it for you guys, because I've already compared it in real life, to my Micro Lady Dior, which in my opinion, this size is more than fine for me. Look at this. That is not that small. I mean, if you put it like this, look at that. What? It's bigger, kind of, right? And it's definitely thicker. So like, this is not that small. And I do like a little bag. I mean, clearly. I don't wear bags for functionality. I don't buy things because I think I can fit a lot into them, clearly. I mean, you can see like some of the examples behind me. I buy things because I think they're cute. And you're lying if you tell me this is not cute, okay? It does have a magnetic closure. A very strong magnetic closure. And here is the inside. I still have it stuffed. I've not used it yet. I pretty much just opened this yesterday. You have the authenticity card back there. This is from 2022. And you've got your two little compartments. You can fit a good amount of stuff in here, okay? You can fit AirPods. You can fit lipsticks. Should I do like... I think I'm gonna do it. Full disclaimer, I don't actually carry a lot of stuff with me, but we're gonna see what we can fit. Obviously, we can fit cards. I don't think I need to show you that we can fit cards because literally the authenticity card's right there. Plus, the bag that I'm using right now is like all the way over there. Nobody got time for that. So, this is a MAC lipstick. I don't even know what color this is. Viva Glam Ariana Grande. Super duper old. Definitely expired, but you know I keep expired makeup. That's just part of my life. So, I'm gonna put it in the front pocket, which I believe is smaller. It looks to me like it's smaller than the back pocket. Fits in there, no prob. Here is a Fenty Gloss Bomb. I would never carry any of this stuff with me in this little bag, by the way, but I'm just gonna show you so you know. Also fits, these are the AirPods, like the first generation. These are Elver's AirPods because I leave mine at work, but it fits perfectly in there. And I brought another lipstick, Kylie Jenner Nova. Boom, can we close it? I don't think we can close it. I would never put any of this stuff in like this. I would probably, if I was gonna take this bag, I would take my car keys and some cards. And that's pretty much it. So if that's what I was taking, closes perfectly, not bulging and nothing. And here is the top handle. I am obsessed. This gold with the like olive green color is just everything to me. And I think this color is like my new obsession. Just in general, like not just this bag, just in general, I'm obsessed with this color. I have to say, like, I am really proud of myself because I feel like I waited for the perfect bag because I really almost settled getting that reissue, but like I kind of just knew something was wrong with that bag. Like nothing was wrong with the bag, but like for me, it was just not my bag. That was just not the bag that I wanted, even though I thought it was perfect because in my head, like I'm like,
Okay, well, I don't have a reissue. This is the perfect way to add it into my collection.
But in reality, I don't know if I need a reissue. Let me show you guys my green bags compared to this one. So this is my green Chanel 19, which is one of my least used bags. So you can see that color is extreme. I mean, to me, that's extremely different. This green is very blue toned, and this one I feel like is very like yellow toned. And obviously the bags are like psychotically different. So this is my other green bag. It is the ABC Lady Dior, and obviously these colors are extremely different. And honestly, I could see myself adding a fourth green bag, but like a green that's a little bit lighter than this. I feel like that would also be really cute, but I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. So this is the little baggie. Oh my God. I feel like I was wearing these jeans last time I did mod shots. But whatever. I like the jeans, but you want me to tell you? Oh my God, I definitely was. It was for my Kelly bag unboxing. I'll link that over here. So this is what the bag looks like crossbody. And like, you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? This is the perfect size in my opinion. Honestly, I'm planning on holding this mostly by the top handle anyways, because this top handle is gorgeous. It's super duper rigid. Like you can't move this at all. And I just love it. Look at the chain on that. What? Look at me walking around my little baggie. Little baggie. Stop. So yeah, guys, that is my newest bag. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I just put it away like on my other shelf because if not, I'll forget and then I'll put it behind me. And then any videos that I film after today, which I'm planning on filming a lot of videos after today, I'm not going to be able to post. But let me know what you guys think about the bag. I know it was kind of like a stupid purchase, but let me know what you guys think about it. Okay, I think it's really cute. And I think if I was going to get a micro bag, that's the one that that's the one. I'm happy that that's the one that I ended up with. Okay, but that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. One more green bag. Where are you? Oh, it's all the way over here.